Starting. You know what? More starting fluid. I hate Mower lawnmowers. Prime it. Let's go. Awesome! Nice. It runs. It runs. Hallelujah. Nice. Does not like starting up in the cold. In fact, it hates the cold. It wants to wish the cold was dead. Huh. So, this hunk of junk doesn't run well. I hate it. That's why I had to have these earphones on. Let's take a look. Look at that. That muffler. Excuse me. That muffler is so black. No offense to any, okay, it's so dark. Okay, I'm sorry. That was racist against anybody. But it's so loud. Because it's so old. I have to wear these headphones because it is that loud. So, yeah. I might fire it up again. Go through some snow. Okay, I'm going to sign off. This has been one cold start for the lawnmower.